First, that light is amazing. That's a fantastic light. I'm going to leave a link where I got it in the bottom. Second, remember when I said I was really going to try hard to bring my sheaths to the next level? I've got a pretty good start on the next level. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of shark skin on this. Not real deep, not real heavy. And I've watched, probably 20 videos just by sheath makers. And I really think that I can up my game a little bit in the sheath making. I have plenty of tools that I can add to this and make it look a little nicer. Oh, and from now on this is the dinner skinner. Here. This is the dinner skinner here, the Damascus dinner skinner. And this is the new dinner skinner sheath. Right? Yes, that's the old one. So this is the prototype. This is the first one. I'm going to get... Oh, here's what I was trying to tell you. I'm not doing a fold-down belt loop anymore. I'm sewing this on the back. And this is where I'm going to stamp my BC truck, handcrafted by BC truck, on the back, right here. So, let me get that done. Okay, now... Oh yeah, I gotta do my, where is that? Oh. I gotta do this in shark skin. Let me get that done. Well, what do you think about that? Would that be kind of cool on a sheath? Wood grain pattern. And I did it with a knife. These are supposed to be knots. What do you think? Is that pretty cool? I like that. I don't know if that would look good on a sheath or not. But that is my representation of wood grain. Saw it on a video. Don't blame me. There we go. I am really proud of that.
You're blinding me.
I can't hear you. The light is so bright. I've not put the edge on this. Tomorrow I'm going to put the edge on it. And I'll be done. It'll get shipped to its new owner.
I can't think. My brain won't work.
Dinner skinner with lacewood handles. Mosaic pins. All my sheaths will look like this for now. Not with that stamp, but I'm going to embellish all my sheaths. And this little curve. And the top edge has a little curve to it. And my knives sit a little deeper in it, which I like that alone. I like.
Okay, I'm going to have to get a pin.
A pin?
Yeah, pop your head. It's gotten so big, you're not going to be able to get in the door.
Yep. There we go. I don't know when I'll put this. Maybe I'll put this on my Saturday giveaway. Because my Saturday giveaway, I'm going to tell you a long story about an encounter I had with a lovely lady at Kroger's. See you tomorrow. This is in the shade. And believe me, it feels every bit of that.